Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have two drones with cameras that are perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. Let's dive into the features and specifications of these amazing drones. In this corner, we have the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera, and in the other corner, we have the Brushless Motor Drone with camera. Let's see which one comes out on top in this epic showdown. When it comes to drones with cameras, the quality of the footage is crucial. The RADCLO Mini Drone comes equipped with a 1080p HD 90 degrees manually adjustable lens, allowing you to capture a wider field of view. With the RADCLO FPV app, you can enjoy real-time panoramic views and easily share them on social media. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone takes it up a notch with a 4K 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. This means you'll be able to capture even more stunning details in your aerial shots. Whether you're a beginner or a skilled player, both drones offer excellent camera capabilities. No one wants a drone that's difficult to control or constantly wobbling in the air. The RADCLO Mini Drone features stable altitude hold function, allowing you to easily control the drone and shoot high-quality footage. Its powerful engine and hover technology ensure a stable flight experience. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone takes advantage of brushless motors, which provide higher speeds and better stability. It also features a built-in altitude hold system and optical flow positioning, making it even more resistant to strong winds. Both drones offer excellent stability, but the Brushless Motor Drone takes the lead in this category. Let's talk about battery life and accessories. The RADCLO Mini Drone comes with two PC's 800 mAh batteries, giving you a total flight time of 22 minutes. It also includes a carrying case, controller batteries, propeller guard, and spare fan blades. These additional accessories make it a standout option in its class. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone comes with two PC's 1,600 mAh batteries, providing an impressive flight time of up to 40 minutes. It also includes a carrying case, controller, propeller guard, and spare fan blades. With its extended battery life, the Brushless Motor Drone wins in this category. Both drones offer a range of additional features to enhance your flying experience. The RADCLO Mini Drone offers functions such as high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, 3D flip, low battery warning, and emergency stop. These features make it suitable for beginners and skilled players alike. Similarly, the Brushless Motor Drone offers high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, 360 degrees flip, low battery warning, and emergency stop. Additionally, it provides 360-degree obstacle avoidance indoors. With their extensive range of functions, both drones cater to different flying preferences. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera and the Brushless Motor Drone with camera. Each drone brings its own unique features to the table, making them suitable for different needs. Whether you prioritize camera quality, flight stability, battery life, or additional features, both drones offer excellent options. It's time for you to decide which one suits your preferences and budget. Don't forget to check the links in the description below to find these amazing drones at the best prices. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.